Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to use your iPhone camera as a webcam for your Mac. iPhone cameras are pretty good and they are mostly much better than your Mac's camera. And instead of buying a new webcam or something like that, you could just use your iPhone as a camera. I just haven't found online any like straightforward tutorial or something that shows how to do that. And it's supposed to be a very straightforward process. So I thought it would be helpful to make this video, especially that now a lot of people are using video chat for either attending university or home office or something else. So in this video, I'll be using two apps, and both are free and both are pretty lightweight. And I'm not linked to any of these apps, and I don't know the people who made them or something like that. These are basically just the two that I personally use. And as I said, both are free, and I'll be leaving the links for both apps in the description of this video. So first I'm going to start, so I'm using Google Chrome as my default browser on this computer. So I'm gonna go to Google Chrome and head to the first link, which is for the app that you need on your Mac computer. So go to Camtwiststudio.com. You can see this is a link. As I said, I'll be leaving it below, and go ahead and download this app. And once it's downloaded, open it. Now make sure before you try to install the app that you close Google Chrome. Now don't close the window, but make sure that you quit Google Chrome. That is allowed to install its extensions in the computer. Now I have the app already installed on my computer at this moment because I'm using it, so I wouldn't be doing the installation part. But it's pretty straightforward. I'll be just starting my app directly. And the first thing you need to do is that you go to the Camtwist preferences and make sure that you change the FPS, which is the frames per second, to 30, and the video size to 1280 by 720. Now, as it says here, you need to close Camtwist before these changes will take place. So I just quit my app, start it again. Now, first thing I do is I just make sure that the changes I've done took place already, so it should be here already changed, as you could see. And now you could see on the top of the list there's something called webcam. Go ahead and select that. And at this moment, if your iPhone is connected to your Mac, you should be able to see your iPhone listed there. It might be named differently according to how you named your iPhone initially, but it should be listed under this exact place. So as you can see, I'm able now to choose my iPhone as my camera. And now I'm gonna go ahead and click View, Preview. Now if your iPhone is unlocked at this moment, you should be able to see your iPhone screen. And here when it comes to the other app that you need to be installed in your phone. Now what this app does is that, as you can see, I have the app already, so I just click Open. What this app does is that basically it uses your camera from the iPhone as a full screen without the user interface elements. You just need to click View Camera. And now this is my iPhone camera displayed on my Mac. So now I could already see it and everything is working. Now what I need to do is use it as a webcam. So this software is now enabled. I close the preview, I also close the software, but I make sure that the app itself is still on. Now I'm gonna go back to Google Chrome just for testing it. And first thing I will do is that I'll go to my preferences, camera, and then I go to site settings. And here's a place where you could choose what is the default camera that Google Chrome uses. And I will make sure that Camtwist is chosen. Now, if it is chosen, that means that basically anything or any website that I'll be using now on Google Chrome will be seeing Camtwist as my default camera. I found a link of a website that basically lets me test my webcam. It just previews the webcam. And I'll just go test camera. Now it's asking me for permission to see my camera, and there you go. It could see my iPhone camera as my current webcam. This should be working for other apps as well. Like if you have Skype on your computer or something like this, if you open Skype settings and just choose Camtwist, it'll be the same. And at the moment, also my iPhone screen is displaying my camera as well, which is how this whole process is working. I think it's pretty cool that it's working, and thanks.